Hello, friends. I have a riddle for you today. What has hands that can't grab, eyes that can't see, and a face with no nose? If you guessed a clock, you are one smart cookie. And I'm not talking about a digital clock. I'm talking about a fancy old-timey clock that makes all sorts of noises and has letters instead of numbers. I know, crazy. Well, that's what today's story is about, and it's called Cuckoo Clock.
I watch the hands spin round the clock, and sit consumed with many thoughts, like why it ticks and never talks. The face is mouthless anyway. There's nothing that it has to say, just watches time slip slide away. And that it does with many eyes. 'Cause don't you know, to my surprise, I counted 2 plus 10 plus 5. But not the kind with human sight, 'cause that would sure cause quite a fright. The letters also don't seem right, 'cause what time could an XI be? Later, sooner than a V? Then what if hands point oppositely? And they don't look like hands to me. A bit like fingers, generously. And even then, there's only 3. Caught inside an endless race, twirling all around the face. From fast to slow to stuck in place. Then sometimes when they seem askew, it plays a tune like bands would do. The same old thing, it's never new. But after every couple songs, it quakes the house with bong, bong, bongs, and shakes my teeth like great King Kong. And though it makes me want to shout that this should be at Grandpa's house, I do like when the bird pops out. But even if you paid a dime, rocked the clock, or made a rhyme, I still could never tell the time. So with its secrets kept unknown, until I am all fully grown, I think that I'll just check Dad's phone.